Hello everybody, 2000 Trains here. Today we're at St Albans City, where we'll be hopping on a 700. This is 700 137, working a service to East Grinstead. I will be taking this to St Pancreas International. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Okay, so here I am, and we're on the go quickly. And some water decides to leak from the top. Don't know why that happens. Sorry about that. Just plugging in my phone to the emergency charger. So let me just plug it in properly. Good, all loaded. You should be able to go up to 100 miles per hour. Cool, blimey, that was intense. Thank God I'm not on that side because the tracks seem to be a bit closer. So far, no wobbling. We're now entering London, flying past the M25. Sorry about that, my finger got in the way again. On the slow line to Rainham, I think. Let me check the destination board. Doesn't matter. 700-053, which is working a service to Rainham. Yeah, I was correct. This is working a service to Rainham. We're going to be swiping past St Albans, no, not St Albans, Radlett, and we're going at some remarkable speeds. We're going to be passing over the junctions. And I might want to sit back a bit in case some train decides to just cause a whiplash on this train when passing by. So let's look in the carriage and see how bouncy the train is. So far the train is at one with the rails, not too bouncy, and that was That was the sound of the pantograph as we were going by an overhead neutral section. Whoa! What the? Okay, I was not expecting that. A barrage of stormtroopers passing this stormtrooper as we just finished passing the overhead neutral section. God blimey. That was intense. We're now in Bournemouth. We're swiping past Elstree and Bournemouth, famous for Elstree Studios. The rails are singing again, and the storm is approaching, as you can see in the distance. We're now engulfed by Elstree Tunnel. You might have to forgive me for my finger getting in the way of the camera. It just happens all the time. Yep, and this cloud really does mean business. I mean, just look at how dark it is. We're literally flying our way through Stockley. Not that it has a station or anything, but the area is just called Stockley. That's just before Edgware. We're now going to run parallel on the M1. The M1 terminates at Staples Corner, which we'll see later on in this film. And I think it's raining. Yep, I think it's raining. We're now going to be swiping through Mill Hill Broadway as we have 700-047. Oh crud! And a Meridian. Passing by for somewhere mystical and magical, only God knows where it's going. The M1 decides to pick itself up. Let me try and move and see if my finger... Good, my finger is in the way. This is Pentavia Retail Park, where I did my first train spotting. And from the sound of things, from the looks of things, it's raining. That's the junction in M1 leading to Henley's Corner, which is near Finchley. It's in between Finchley and Golders Green, actually. Don't know what the name of the road is. We're going to be passing another overhead neutral section. Oh, we just missed the RAF Museum. We're passing new buildings. We just missed the RAF Museum. Okay, it's really raining cats and dogs. I thought I just saw some freight over there, but I missed it. Oh well. Let me just plop back onto this side. While I was wandering over, we just crossed the South Point. We're now going to be swiping past... Wait for it. Hendon. We really are swiping through the stations, aren't we? Oh crud. Another HST. Really am going to be afraid of going on high-speed trains if you're going to get whiplash from trains passing in the opposite direction. Anyways, we've now reached the M. The end of the M1, as you see right there. This is Staples Corner. We're teleporting all the way through Staples Corner. That's Brent Cross over there. Now we're entering the depot. Completely empty. Well, from this side that is. 700 bound for St Albans City or Luton. We have one HST with two former LNER power cars and an army of stormtroopers located in the sidings. We're soon swiping past Crookwood, that's 700-016. Don't know where it's off to. We attacked the set of points over there. Over here is 700-033. Don't know where it's off to. Actually, it's off to St Albans City. We have another stormtrooper bound for Bedford. We're now crossing over onto the slow lines. That's the O2 shopping centre. Parallel to us was the Jubilee line and Metropolitan line going underground to central London and going out of the underground towards Wembley. And we had an overground which just crossed over us over here before into the tunnels going towards Stratford. So there we go. These HSTs are really out and playing. Gonna cross over a junction very soon. Well, that's one junction. There's a major junction we're gonna cross through very soon. And here it is. That line will probably connect with one of the overground routes. We're now just coasting through Kentish Town as we just had another stormtrooper, probably bound for either Luton or Bedford. the line over there continues onwards into St. Pancras International, where you can get Eurostar and Southeastern high-speed services towards Stratford International, Ebbsfleet International, and Ashford International, before the lines go there in separate ways. We're also going to reach the same place as well, because that's where I'm getting off, but we're going to be at the low level. Damn, I missed the time. The time was 16:48 on the information displays. We're now taking it slow in the tunnel. Pum 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 pum. That's how you do that thing. Pum 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 pum. Whatever, I'm just being a dork. Sooner or later we should converge with the line from the East Coast Main Line.
We will shortly be arriving at London St Pancras International. Change here for other national rail services, including Eurostar services to mainland Europe. Also change here for the Circle, Hammersmith and City, Metropolitan, Northern, Piccadilly and Victoria lines.
So here we are.
London King's Cross and the British Library. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
Alright guys, so here I am at St. Pancras International. Thank you guys for watching this video, it's greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification button so you can keep up to date with the content that I'll be uploading. So, I'm not gonna lie, the 700s have actually redeemed themselves. I thought the train would actually go bumpy when going up to 100 miles per hour, but so far the train behaved itself, as we have another stormtrooper departing for somewhere. God can tell me where it's... Oh, it's in Alban City, I've seen it. So, I'm quite impressed with the journey on this train. It's at one with the rails at 100 miles per hour, no bumpiness or shaking at speed. That's how I love my train to be. Fast and smooth, not go blah 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 blah. You get what I mean? So, until you hear from me, 2000 trains here. I shall see you guys later. Peace out guys and take care.